Welcome to Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. Today we are going to be making homemade candy from coconut. So you want to get fresh coconut, break it and then cut it out like this. So once you have this, then I'm going to cut it into a flatter piece like this. I'll just give you a demo of how you can achieve that. So you can achieve that with your knife like this. So this is the traditional way we do it at home. If you do not have a slicer, you just use the knife and go in like this. So we are going to continue with this until everything is sliced. And then the traditional way we do it at home is just to use our knife, put some together like this, and then we begin to cut. So this is the traditional way we do it at home. It's going to take you a lot of time, but trust me, you will like the result at the end. So if you do not want to use your knife to slice like this, you can try with your grater. Just try the side that you can grate with. You see this part, you can try on it after getting the flat one, and then just use this. So this is kind of faster, but it's going to give you a different outcome. You're going to get a different outcome with it. So I prefer the other one. So let's try this. This will help you to get the flat one. See what it's giving you. So I prefer the traditional way of using the knife. Just take your time and then just slice. So I'm going to continue with this off camera and just show you what we have after slicing, and then we go to the next step. This is Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. So this is it after slicing. Let me know what you usually use to slice yours. And let me also know if you will be trying this snack recipe. This is great as a snack, also as dessert. Alright, so let's take this to the kitchen, to Joy's Kitchen. This is sugar that's melted, so I'll just remove it and put it in the pan. So you need a frying pan for this. So I've poured in the coconut. I didn't know that it wasn't recording. So I added sugar, then added a little water to the sugar to dissolve it. After which I poured in the coconut. Sorry, I missed that clip. I didn't know it wasn't recording. So what I practically did was to put sugar directly on the pan, and then add little water to dissolve the sugar, and then pour in the coconut. After which you are just going to stir until it changes color. So this is it. It's ready. This is Joy's Kitchen and Wellness. Cool down until you just mold it into balls. So that is it. Don't forget to like, share, leave comment below in the comment section, and subscribe to the channel for more healthy recipes like this. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. This is the result.